welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, I am going to reuse something. Reuse in the sense not something that is a waste or something. It is something that I had from a long time, from my school days I can say. I'm going to make something else out of it. So yeah, without wasting time, let's begin. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have these things. This is one of my hairband was almost which I bought during my school time, and as you can see, I've stitched it at the sides because many times it came out, so I have somehow randomly stitched it. At that time I didn't know stitching so well, obviously, so somehow I just stitched it. So yeah, let me just take it out. Let me remove this back part, and then we can go ahead with the next process. Okay, so as you can see, I took out the back part, that is the elastic part. Now we are going to use these jump rings and create a chain using it. If you have a chain of that sort, you can use that itself. You can connect it directly. But I do not have any, so I am going to make it using these jump rings. So yes, I am going to make a belt using it. Yes, it is going to be a belt. So yes, let's go ahead and you can see the process. Okay guys, so as you can see, the belt is ready and I feel it is good. Let me put it on and show it to you so you'll get an idea of how it might look. So yes, let's go ahead. So guys, here you go. This is how it came out and I really loved it. It is looking really good. You can see, I just cover a little mirror. This is a simple black dress. On that it is giving a nice look actually. So I really loved it. I want to know what is your opinion on this. I really love making this. It is simple and also it looks so good. So yeah, let me know your comments and your feedback on the comments. I'll surely check it out. Ignore the background noise, I can't do anything anyways. So I hope you liked it. If yes, then yes, go ahead and like the video and also share it. Bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.